Hi everyone, welcome to Wonks walkthrough videos. I'm Grace, and today in this video, I will guide you with the simple steps to create your company's official YouTube channel. So this video will help you get started with building a digital presence to showcase your brand. And then it also helps to connect with your audience using the YouTube platform. So the first step is open your browser and go to youtube.com. Sign in using your company email and then click on this profile icon. So if it's the first time that you are creating using your company email, there should be an option immediately in this section to create a channel. But for this account that I am using, I have to click switch account and then view all channels. Then that will take me to this section. Click create a channel and then you can add your company name. For this section, we can name it as Wonks walkthrough videos and then click create a channel. So once you are done with the creation of the channel, you can now start customizing the settings. So click on customize channel. That will take you to this section and you can upload your company banner. This will show you the pixels that's allowable in this account. And then also you can upload your company logo and then you can still fix spelling issues, or if you're not happy with the handle that you've chosen, you can still fix it here. Then add in your short description of your company. And then we have links section. Here you can add your website links and also your social media accounts. Then you have the email that you want to receive all the information or notification from this channel. And you can now click on publish. So once you have done all the changes in this profile section, you can still add more configuration with the settings. Just click on settings and then that will take you here. Under general, you can change the currency. And then channel, you can change the country of residence. And then this section, you can add relevant keywords. I strongly advise that you add keywords here that's relevant to your channel to help with the search visibility. In the advanced settings, you can specify whether your content is made for kids. And then under upload defaults, this section, you can set standard descriptions and tags to speed up your future uploads. And then once you're happy with all the changes that you've done, you can click on save. Lastly, once you have completed the customization or configuration of your settings of your YouTube channel, you can quickly view your channel just to see everything is in place. And once you're happy, go back to channel customization, click dashboard, and then here you can now start uploading your very first video. So there you have it. Thanks for watching this short video. You can visit our Wonks YouTube channel for more training videos. Goodbye.